In this video, you will see how to group images in Word document like this. As you can see, I have added this image on top of the image. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab, then go to the picture and select picture from your computer. After inserting the pictures, resize the pictures according to your need. As an example, I have added here these two pictures and I want to group them. So the fourth step is you need to resize the images as per your need. Then click on the image, right click and then click on wrap text and select the option in front of text. This will make the image movable. You also need to click on the next image, right click and then go to the wrap text and select in front of text. Now you can place this image onto the another image like this, and if it is at the back side, we just need to right click on the main image and then go to the send to back option and select send to back. So this will bring the backward image at the front. At this point, these images are not grouped. To group them, you need to press and hold the shift key, click on the first image to select it, then click on the next image to select both of them. Now right click on the selected images, go to the group option and select the option group. So this will group the images together and you can also resize them together like this. If you want to ungroup them, right click on the grouped images, go to the group option and this time you will see the option of ungroup. After clicking on this, the images will ungroup. You can adjust the position of the image and then after selecting both the images, you can regroup them as shown in the video. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to know more about grouping in Word document. See you again in the next one.